Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, please stay, make yourselves at home. So today we're going to be doing a very exciting little unboxing. Unboxings are literally like my favorite kind of video. I could, dead honest, sit on like TikTok or Instagram Reels and just watch unboxing videos like the whole day. But anyway, today we're going to be unboxing a package that was very kindly sent to me by Trenton, South Africa. They are an online retailer, but I'm pretty sure they do have an outlet somewhere, because I always see their super cute like aesthetic Instagram videos of people going to try on some Uggs. But anyway, let's get into it. Let me just find my scissors. Yeah, mine. That gonna need this one. Oh my gosh, it literally feels like Christmas. Oh, it does. I wish I could like bottle up this feeling and put it in like a perfume bottle and just like sell it, because I know I'd make so much money, because I love this feeling so much. How beautiful is this? It's unreal. I don't even want to open this. I just want to like put it up on a shelf in my room because it looks too pretty. Who made this bow? Because it's perfect. I don't want to open it. It's so pretty. But anyway, they are launching a new summer collection, so they have the coolest like slippers and slides and everything, and they were kind enough to let me pick something from their summer collection. And I feel like I'm gonna be walking around in these like every single day, non-stop. But yeah, which way does it go? Oh, how beautiful! This card is so, can you see it? No. This card is so aesthetically pleasing. I'm gonna give you guys like a close-up opening of the package montage. Okay, so the card says, "Dear Kayla, we've been told they are the perfect lockdown shoe. We hope these shoes bring a smile to your face and can help you escape the everyday. Tag us and let us know what you think. With the warmest wishes, Ugg South Africa." That's so sweet. I'm gonna keep this. This is like really aesthetically pleasing. This is like super 2000s. But guys, I cannot explain the excitement to you when I open these up. There's literally like super cute like confetti. Oh no, it's on my floor. There's confetti in here. It feels like a party. But can we just take a moment for these? I am a sucker for anything with a platform, like platform sandals, platform boots. I will buy it just because it's platform. And then in here there's also like a little booklet with care instructions, more information about the materials and everything that these slides are made of. And last but not freaking least, there are bubbles in here. They put bubbles in here and it's like a little heart. It really feels like a party. I love this. Oh. Is it bubbles? Woo! I feel like a child. This is the best package I've ever received in my entire life from any brand. Their PR person, I don't know who you are, but like lady to lady, I love you. I'm assuming it's a lady. I don't feel like men put this much thought into things, no offense, but this is adorable. This is the best package I've ever received. I have bubbles on my hands now, but anyway, let me take this plastic out. And there's confetti inside the shoe. But these, I knew they were cute, but I didn't know they were this cute. Like on the soles, they have like an Ugg kind of engraved vibe like sticking out, and it's so soft and fluffy. And then also the strap is nude and it has UGG written on it. Guys, you're gonna be catching me in these whenever you see me ever again in my entire life. They're so cute. I think these would be like the perfect Christmas gift for anyone, and I think this was perfect timing because Christmas is coming up and I don't know anyone that would be unhappy with these. Like your sister, your mom, your girlfriend, whatever, buy them a pair of UGG slides. They obviously have other ones as well because I know platform isn't everyone's style, but personally I really love it. But they have so many different styles, so many different colors, so go have a look on their website and make someone very happy this Christmas. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to Trenton for sending me these. I'm going to be taking so many photos in them, and a little self-promotion again. If you head over to my Instagram, I'm going to be posting a reel of how I would style these, so like a bunch of different outfits that I would wear these with. I would really appreciate it if you go have a look. Maybe you would get some ideas, get the creative juices flowing, and then maybe that would inspire you to buy your own perfect pair of Uggs. But yeah, thank you guys so much and see you next time.